Hello, children. I am Humpty. I am round and happy. Look at my curvy humps on the top.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about Humpty pattern. Children, the Humpty pattern looks like an inverted letter U. It means upside down letter U. See these curvy humps on the top. The pattern looks like an inverted letter U. Now look at the happy Humpties below. They help us understand the pattern. Let's trace the pattern. Start at the dot, go up, curve and come down like an upside down U. Trace slowly and neatly.
Hello, children. I am number 16. 1 6 together makes 16.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 16. This is number 16. 1 and 6 together make 16. It comes after 15 and before 17. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, there are total 16 fruits. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am the letter F. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with F.
Hello, children. I am a fan. I give you cool air and keep you fresh. Hello, children. I am a foot. I help you stand, walk, and run. Hello, children. I am a fish. I live in water and can swim. Hello, children. I am a flower. I look beautiful and smell nice.
Hello, children. I am a fork. I help you eat your food. Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter F. Children, look at the pictures on the page which are surrounded by letter F. We can see fan, fish, foot, flower and fork. All these words start with the letter F. Great job, children. See you.
Hello, friends. The rainy season is here. I love watching the rain fall. Yes, we use umbrellas, wear raincoats and enjoy the cool weather. Rain makes everything fresh and green. Wow, it's raining today. I'm wearing my raincoat and gumboots, and my umbrella keeps me dry. Look how green and beautiful everything is. I love the rainy season.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about rainy season. During this season, we see falling rain, cool weather, green trees and puddles everywhere. Children, when the sun looks hidden because dark clouds cover the sky and they bring rain, that means the rainy season is here. In rainy season, we use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots to stay dry. Rain is very important because it helps plants grow and keeps our earth fresh. Very good, children.
Hello, everyone. I am an oval shape. I look like a stretched circle, smooth and no corner. Hi, I am a watermelon. Look at me. I have an oval shape too. I am juicy, sweet, and healthy to eat. Hello, friends. I am a rugby ball. I also look oval in shape and players play with me.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about the oval shape. An oval is a stretched circle with smooth, rounded edges and no corners. Look at these examples. This watermelon has an oval shape. This ball also looks oval. You can find oval shapes in many things around you. Fruits, eggs, and some sports balls. So remember, an oval shape is like a stretched circle. Very good, children. See you next set.
Hello, children. I am the sun. In the summer season, I shine very bright and make the days hot.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about summer season. During summer, the sun shines very bright and the weather becomes hot. We wear light cotton clothes, drink lots of water, and enjoy cool foods like fruits and ice cream. Many children also enjoy summer holidays and beach fun.
Hello, children. I am number 17. 1 7 together makes 17.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 17. This is number 17. 1 and 7 together make 17. It comes after 16 and before 18. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, they are 17. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. Winter season is here. The weather becomes cold, and we wear warm clothes like sweaters, caps, and gloves. Winter is a cool and cozy season.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about winter season. In winter, the weather becomes cold and we wear warm clothes. Warm clothes like sweaters, caps, and gloves to keep ourselves cozy. We may see fog, chilly winds, and sometimes snow in some places. People enjoy hot drinks, sunny days, and winter foods in this season. Very good, children.
Hello, children. We are playing on a seesaw. We are going up and down.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about up and down concept. When something goes higher, we say it is up. Look at the bird. It is flying up in the sky. When something goes lower, we say it is down. See the little worm? It is down on the ground. See, on a seesaw, one child goes up while the other goes down. So remember, children, up means higher or top, down means lower or bottom. Very good.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait till the light turns green. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. Red light.
Oh, what do I see? Everyone is doing something. This means they are doing some action. Look, the boy is playing. Some children are watching TV. That girl is skipping rope. They are reading, brushing, cleaning, cutting, mopping, and speaking. Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about action words. Children, action words are words that tell us what someone is doing. They show an action or activity. Look, the boy is playing. Some children are watching TV. That girl is skipping rope. See there, they are reading books. This boy is brushing his teeth. That girl is cleaning the mirror. Look here, she's cutting vegetables. That boy is mopping the floor. And he's speaking on the stage. So children, all these are action words. Actions are things we do every day. These words are called action words. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am the letter G. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with G.
Hello, children. I am a girl. I love to smile and play. Hello, children. I am a gate. I open and close to keep us safe.
Hello, children. I am a goat. I like to eat grass and leaves.
Hello, children. I am a guitar. I make sweet music. Hello, children. I am a giraffe. I am tall and have a long neck.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about letter G. Children, look at the pictures on the page which are surrounded by letter G. We can see a girl, gate, goat, guitar, and giraffe. All these words start with the letter G. Very good, children. See.
Hello, I am a carrot. I grow under the soil and help keep your eyes healthy.
Hi, I am beetroot. I grow below the ground and make your blood strong.
Hello, friends. I am a potato. I grow underground and give you lots of energy. Hi, everyone. I'm radish. I grow under the soil and keep your stomach healthy.
Hello, I am turnip. I grow below the ground and help you stay fit.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about ground vegetables. Children, ground vegetables are vegetables which grow in the soil or under the ground. Carrot, beetroot, potato, radish, and turnip grow under the soil. Children, remember, these vegetables grow under the ground. Very good. See.